Hello, everyone. So, I want to tell you all that this is Zoe's last day. She's gonna be put down later tonight, and I just want to say, she's had a good life. From the time we all saw Zoe, my brother knew she was a one, and so it was funny. You know, Dad wasn't sure if he wanted Zoe, but it's like as Mom and Dad were talking about it, Robbie just decided to put Zoe in the car before there'd be more of a chance to keep her. And 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 when Mom and Dad found out that Robbie put Zoe in the car, they're just like, okay, let's try it out. And then and then Zoe peed in the house when she came, and she was submissively peeing over my dad, and Mom sometimes, like when she hasn't seen her in a long time. She also has her favorite people, like my mom's friends, and yeah. But anyways, she's 17 or 18 years old, and she's basically in her hundreds, and um, you know, I had, as I said before in my video, I had a complicated relationship with her, but at the end of the day, I did want Zoe to do well in life, and and I won't. I find it funny how when when Zoe's um when Zoe's leg was bad, you know, there was a deer, and Zoe just ran right up to get the deer, and I'm gonna save this video on the desktop for memories. But anyways, I should record the cats before they went to, because I have no videos about the cats in my in any of my devices or computer. But anyways, when she was young, she was mostly bright orange, but now she's like more white. Um, and yeah, I mean Zoe was a dog that she barked when people were at the door, but she never bit anyone. She never barked when she was done smelling people. She was usually friends with them, and um yeah, that's what I have to say. So hope you all remember this, and I'm sure Zoe is um I'm sure Zoe's happy she lived that long too, but I also sure she's in pain, a lot of pain. So um yeah. Anyways, bye.